introvert or extrovert? True or false? Write T for true or F for false next to the following statements. Number 1, some people might say I'm boring. Number 2, if you have a problem with me, tell me to my face. Number 3, I work well as part of a team. Number 4, I speak before I think. Number 5, people tire me out. Number 6, I almost never pick up when my cell phone rings. Number 7, I make people laugh. Number 8, I can text, play a video game, and help my brother with his homework at the same time. Number 9, my dream weekend, just kicking back with nothing at all to do. Number 10, I'd rather hang out with one friend than go to the mall with a group. Number 11, I hate it when people look over my shoulder when I'm doing something. Number 12, I hate writing in a journal. Number 13, I hate to be alone. 14, I am going to be rich and famous, seriously. 15, I don't say much unless I really know you. 16, I'm a good listener. 17, when it's my birthday, please don't make a big deal out of it. 18, I really do not like homework. 19, I focus on one task at a time. Number 20, I'm a thrill seeker. Now, how to score this survey. Give yourself 1 point each time you answered true for numbers 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 18, and 20, which are the blue questions. You're going to add up all those points, and this is your E score, and you're going to type that score right on the line here. Next, give yourself 1 point each time you answered true for 1, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, and 19, which are the green questions. You're going to add up those points, and this is your I score. You're going to write your score total here. Next, you will subtract your I score from your E score. The answer might be a negative number, and you're going to write that answer on the line here. Now you will click on the number line below and select Edit. You're going to insert a circle on your answer on the number line below. You need help inserting the circle on the number line? Watch the video that is linked here to help you. When you are all done, you will turn in this assignment.